Hi, I'm Todd and I'm here with the Bissell Little Green ProHeat Pet Portable Deep Cleaner. I use this product in my everyday life. We have 4 cats in our family, so needless to say there's a few messes we find on the carpets in our basement. Also, we use it for our high traffic areas on our rugs, and I also use it in our cars. We do the upholstery. So the deep cleaner is really easy to use. First of all, you have to put some water in your tank. You're supposed to use warm water, and then you have these 2 detergents that you add. There's fill lines that you fill them up to. Once you do that, you turn your machine on. There's the power button right there, and then you take your nozzle, and for whatever you're cleaning, there's a little button there, and you pull it. The spray comes out right there. It's got a long enough hose on it that you can get where you want. You're not always fumbling to change receptacles. So what I like about the deep cleaner is that it's really easy to use. It's lightweight, it's portable. I think Bissell really hit the nail on the head with the deep cleaner. I would recommend it to anybody that has carpet at all. It's really that effective.